Welcome back. It was a big win for India against Pakistan at Adelaide in its first match of the ICC World Cup 2015. Defending champions extended their superb record against Pakistan, recording a 76-run victory, having Pakistan bowled out for 224 in 47 overs. Though Misbah made it a tough job for Team Dhoni at one stage, he could not stretch it till end. Century scorer Virat Kohli was declared man of the match.
It's quite a game, this. Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma. That's with the first boundary. Crashed it into the fence. He's hit the ball in the air, but clear on the field for a boundary. That's a glorious shot. Well, there isn't a fielder there though, and it wouldn't have mattered either. And strong. Brilliant. That's what India wants. That'll be a boundary. It's a brilliant shot. I mean, it's the kind of shot the spinner's thrown his head. He'll hit the gap for 4. This is really going to hurt Pakistan here. There he goes, Afridi. That's the maximum. That's right, Afridi. That's good. Lovely shot. Just moved away. The and it's good catch. That's it. This Adelaide wicket. Oh, strike 2. Oh, that's it. That's going to be out. And we saw some fantastic performances today. India eventually winning their biggest win actually against Pakistan. India had many things to look forward to. The batting of Virat Kohli, Shikhar Dhawan and Suresh Raina.
King Momo reached Margao on Sunday. Margao wore a colourful look with floats and parades. It's Viva Carnival. Here are some of the glimpses. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
Tumi porita Prudent. You're watching Prudent.